Now introducing Joey Gunner.
You give me five, give me that
Hey TWA viewers, welcome to the second installment of The Gun Show. This, today, is going to feature two guests that are good friends of mine. However, first I have to bring to attention the Warrior Championship that is yet to be brought in has been speculated to be stolen. So, I feel as though, as the host of a show, I should be asking interrogating questions to other competitors to see what they know. So, without further ado, my two guests today, my good friends, they are brothers. Chance of Pain and Terrifying T. So, I'm sure you guys heard speculation that the Warrior Championship has been stolen.
Yeah, I heard about that. The only thing I know, it wasn't me.
Okay, well, we're gonna find out who it was, but I have to ask some very serious, very interrogative questions to find out.
Alright.
So, first question.
Purple.
What's your favorite color?
Hold on, I have to put my mom up with that.
Okay. What is your name?
Oh, crap. Can't.
Tyler. Okay. Who is the biggest loser in TWA today? Is it A, Carnage, B, Disultimate,
My foot.
HM Punk, C, Joey Gunner, D, A and B together?
I like A and B.
Booyah. So, what is the most amazing match that could happen on this episode of TWA? Is it a tag team match of Chance of Pain and Terrifying T versus Indestructible?
Pretty far.
Is it an Oh My God championship match between Joey Gunner and HM Punk?
Loser.
Or C, all of the above?
All the above. I like all the above. I think I just have
You guys are on a roll. I don't think you guys stole the titles at all. So, who votes
You did it.
that today on TWA we have two main events? A tag team title match. HM Punk and Carnage versus Terrifying T and Chance of Pain. Followed by an Oh My God championship match. Champion HM Punk defends against Joey Gunner. What do you say, TWA viewers? See you later.